As you all know, 26 June is an International Day against the drugs. All over the world they observe. So today what we are doing is, in collaboration with the TULBA members, with the social welfare, we organize this rally, that is to fight against the drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Drug abuse is really bad in our state. The NDPS case is increasing every year, particularly in Shillong City. So police alone, we can't eradicate totally. That is why we organize this rally, to spread the message that the evil of this drugs is really bad and hit us, especially the young and youth who are unemployed. So the purpose of this rally is that to spread the message that to say no to the drugs.
Sungu ipi nama kisang bat kamtam polis department ki bale ya simata kane ngis kam da kajin langsung ibaro ya kane ka jing sniu ngimla male marwai kumbala kren mene ni de brong jing teli gila berat da khong ni kane te nakalyang jo department social welfare ni kular bane telang bat pi baro bat kisang balang bat ki rang ba snong kiwi ru bat kamtam ke police department baknam ngi la persa ye kade kade jing sniu budan na kastit jang tangkini police cibol.
Today's rally to observe the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the 26th. It is to all of us to understand the meaning of drug addiction, drug abuse. I hope all of you are aware, many of our youth, especially in Shillong, it has gone up from maybe a single digit a decade ago. But if you see now, most of our youth have fallen prey into it. Let us all stand together, fight for this drug abuse. Berpeluang yang kini kaji kami ia ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Kaji kamu jom kini kalong ban leh Persia ban khang Persia ia kaji pun kam bakla ia drugs. Bat kaji kayi BI. Bat ngangit skam bakani kam sulong tanggarong khong ne bat pendek ia program. Ndai kandan sia kaji kamu ban rat khong nado tolong. Bangin i sia kaji kala. Nasopson bang sopang met bangan na kibadang pulih anda kilama di drugs kila kerni bat kidan kam malaksi anda ladan kam malaksi do kam sapisa poisya katu katim poisya siasat patok sya bendi mo sya polis dan kablak kemak kita kayo kam yo jam ka pakado basosi kade kakta sa syongka syongman namar kacing pang gabami no di drugs ban nasopson ban bahakini por ban baka jingjelai ka jingsliu haka imlak salang namar baliu ka jingjelai kini nong di drugs ban baka jingsingan kam tencu haka imlak salang namar kini nong di drugs kamlai pujan tang bakinyo bat hit rocks tengai I bakam dan coba kajing singai kajing sak prong tu kidukan kajing sak liet ki ying isem bat kicak kajing sak lute ki ngiyak nyongwan ban nangik skam baka kani kasngi kalong sisa kajing teli kai kadau jeng kini baro namar bangi yem dan cok kapor ban seneng ban kraw ikon kiti hapadon kami isu ai bedak pisa kajing duna jong kajing jong kimi pa kapalong ikon ki pasakma kapaar namar teni bakini kena menta sang benput pertubut yakni lifestyle jong di western countries ne kiri sangi dengan rau kipo yeladi bangat ha apot batpoi sejing jot kapalai pan namar ba ni nyimdan gajing teli ka bakado pan ni dei ban dan gajing troilang nadu kimi kpa nadu ki darmasnung nadu ki sengbalang ki balang ka polis department bat kasota kumta ladang ni troilang ni sei gajing jok haka imlang salang jongi bat ni sala pan rat ding khong yeu new drop nak kena kejalai jongi tang kini kemudian boleh jemput
and if we don't act now then we can never do it in the future as a responsible citizen. Of the country, let us all join hands in fighting against this war on drugs. Dear friends, remember that drug has the power to take away